What I have here is a 9-foot leader ready to go. It's set up for fishing. It's got a nice wire leader tied with a blood knot, and it has a good shock absorbing section to it for hard fighting fish. Now I have this set up for I want to quickly change out my leader halfway through the day, mid fishing in the boat. But one of my tricks that I use for keeping my leaders nice and neat and stored properly and ready to fish is I have a very simple pool noodle. This is cheap and effective, and I'm going to show you how to put your pre-rigged leader setup onto it. So you have your fly, and all you're going to do is you're going to pick a section of the pool noodle that you want to put your fly on, insert your fly, and then continue to wrap around nice and tight your pre-tied leader. This is going to keep it nice and straight and ready to fish. Now the trick is to keep this leader tight is I use a bobby pin, and the bobby pin goes at the end. Just select where you want the end of your leader to go, and there, that stays nice and tight thanks to a bobby pin and the pool noodle. So I have everything very, very economically stored and ready to go, and it's really easy.